What do the various dashboard warning lights on the 2023 Maserati Ghibli mean? How can you identify critical alerts from standard notifications? This guide explains the key indicators helping you stand their functions and ensure your vehicle safety. Stay informed and drive with confidence. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Malfunction indicator, light. Left turn signal indicator, light. Tire pressure monitoring light. ABS malfunction warning light. Electronic stability control activation. Electronic stability control off indicator light. Start and stop active indicator light. Rear fog light indicator light. High beam indicator light. Brake warning light. Airbag warning light. Right turn signal indicator light. Seat belt reminder indicator light. Charging system warning light. Transmission temperature warning light. Engine temperature warning light. Low oil pressure warning light. Engine oil temperature warning light. Low engine oil level warning light. Electric power steering failure warning light. Catalyst over temperature warning light. Door ajar indicator. Trunk lid indicator light. Hood ajar indicator lights. Traffic sign assist indicator lights. Electronic throttle control indicator light. Low fuel indicator light. Windshield washer low fluid indicator light. Headlight aiming system failure warning light. Automatic high beam failure warning light. Suspensions failure warning light. Ice hazard indicator light. Brake pads wear warning light. Electric parking brake failure warning light. Start and stop disable indicator light. Start and or stop failure warning light. Scheduled maintenance indicator light. Engine preheating. Forward collision warning off. Pedestrian emergency braking fault. AWD failure warning light. Passive speed limit set. Passive speed limit exceeded. Suspension setting indicator light. Cruise control ready or canceled. Drive mode indicator light. Blind spot assist. Cruise control set. Active blind spot assist intervention. Lane keeping assist fault. Active driving assist fail. Adaptive cruise control ready or canceled. Adaptive cruise control set. Adaptive cruise control fault. Active blind spot assist failure. Low beams on indicator light. Headlight on indicator light. Automatic high beam on indicator. Gear shift indicator light. Performance launch control indicator light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.